Exercise 47. Write a program that has a function that receives an optional student name and an optional score. If student name is John and the score is 50 or more, the program should report John has passed. If no student name is given, report student has passed. If no score is given, the program should assume that the score was 0. Write statements to call the function 3 times. One time with both arguments, one time with only the student name, and one time with only the student score. Print the results each time. Okay, let's define our variable, our function. We have 2 optional parameters. One is student and the other one is 0. Then we return the result. So let's get the information from the user. We get the score as well, and we convert this to an integer or a float. Then we call the function and put the result in a variable called result. Let's change this variable name just to make it a bit clearer. So also we print my result. And we do this 3 times. one time with both, another time with the student name only, and another time with the score only. Okay, so if we run this, enter student name, Tom, or this should be score, but enter the student score, say 45. There's an error there. It says student is not defined. Sorry, this should be student name, not student. And this should be score. So let's try that again. Enter student name, Tom, score 45. There's something wrong here. If score is greater than or equal to 50, sorry, this should be saying not passed. And just to make things clearer, we should add here with a score of, and then we add the score. We'll need to convert it to a string. Okay, so let's try that again. If we run that, enter student name, Tim, enter student score 76. So it says, the first time it runs, it says Tim has passed with a score of 76. The next time, Tim has not passed with a score of 0. That's because no score was passed. That is here. And the third time, it says student has passed with a score of 76. Okay. Yeah, so that's it about using default values in your functions. Thank you for watching. If you want one-on-one Python coaching, please sign up at owendevs.com. Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel.